Show me your dance moves and your glasses there, Buckshot. Where are you going? Elmo. We'll come back. Brayden. What are you doing? You still got those glasses on your face? You used to have little aviators, remember? You broke them. Where's your pants? No?
Mom.
What? Did you talk to Daddy today? Yeah, cool. What else did you do? Huh? Daddy night-night, that's right. Daddy just went to sleep. Where's Daddy again? Well, he's sleeping, but where is he? Where is he?
Daddy's shoes.
Daddy's shoes?
Daddy's shoes.
Daddy doesn't have any shoes out here, buddy.
Out here.
You're a cool dude.
Uh-oh.
You sing your song when you put your glasses on? Do 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 do